What is electrical discharge machining? Electrical discharge machining is a specialized metal removal process that uses high-frequency electrical pulses between an electrode and the workpieces locally melt and vaporize the material, enabling ultra-precise machining. Since it requires no cutting force, it's ideal for high-hardness alloys, mold cavities, and complex geometries. In my production practice, EDM is widely used in mold manufacturing, precision parts, and difficult-to-machine materials. Both Sinker electrical discharge machining and wire electrical discharge machining can achieve dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 mm and the surface roughness of Ra 0.6 to 3.2 micrometers on materials exceeding 60 HRC hardness. With advanced numerical control systems, it can also produce deep holes, narrow slots, and microstructures. Typical processes include Sinker electrical discharge machining, forms cavities and complex internal contours using a shaped electrode. Wire electrical discharge machining uses a thin wire electrode to cut precise outlines, commonly applied in molds and high-precision components. According to International Organization for Standardization 9001 and more industrial standards, EDM-produced parts maintain reliable performance under high strength and complex conditions. It's widely applied in aerospace, medical devices, and automotive molds. Therefore, electrical discharge machining is not only a supplement to traditional cutting, but also a key technology for processing ultra-hard materials and complex geometries.